Hi guys, my name is Madina Shrienzada, and today I'm here to bring you the best DIY hacks and make your life a lot easier. Are you bad at eyeliner? I use a fork. It is an at-home tool, and obviously you do have to be careful because it does have sharp edges. However, I love to line up the fork with the end of the eyebrow and the bottom waterline. Doing that allows you to have a good foundation and a line to follow to get that perfect wing. An alternative option would be to use a dental floss pick. And what I like to do is apply the eyeliner onto that and then use that as a base and apply that gently onto the lid. That will also create a line for you to follow for an eyeliner shape. And voila, you have your amazing, perfect eyeliner look that you can wear day to night. Are you clumsy with getting that perfect eyebrow shape? Well, I was, and eyebrow tape really has helped me. You can use any tape that you desire, and you're gonna go ahead and shape off the eyebrow to the desired shape. And then you're gonna go ahead and apply any eyebrow product of your choice. I went ahead and used a gel eyebrow product. And I went ahead and let that dry for about a few minutes. And then I went ahead and removed the tape, and it allows you to have that flawless brow look. Do you have a dry mascara sitting on your counter? You're gonna go ahead and take a few drops of eye solution, and you're gonna mix that into the dried mascara. And after a few pumps, you will have your mascara back to life. And now you're ready to apply and beautify your lashes. And there is an alternative if you don't want to fix your dried mascara. You can make it in your very own home. All you need is Vaseline, a few pumps of primer, and any pigment of your choice. I chose dark brown. You're gonna go ahead and mix these ingredients, and then I love to apply it with a toothbrush because the toothbrush has quite density, which allows your lash to get an automatic lift. Do you have dark circles? Don't worry, I have a solution for you. All you need is your very own foundation, and you're gonna mix that with a translucent powder. This will give you an amazing finished concealer. Everyone has been in the position where they cannot find their cream blush. Here's an at-home DIY to create your very own when you cannot find it. Pump a few pumps of primer, Vaseline, and any pink pigment of your choice. You're gonna go ahead and mix these ingredients until you get a paste consistency. And now it's ready for use. If you are a beginner at makeup, I hope these hacks make your life easier, and I hope you have fun testing them out. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more, don't forget to follow at Instagram handle Madina Shrienzada.